In this video, we are going to show you how to add a video to your Virtual Y site. To add a video, you can use the Virtual Y tab if you're using the standalone version, and click on Add Video under Videos. Or if you are in the content area and you're wanting to add it from here, you can click on the blue Add Content button and then just select Virtual Y Video. Now for this tutorial, we are going to borrow a workout video from the YMCA of Greater Houston, and we're going to copy this title here and move it over into the title field for the video. And we'll add the instructor's name so that we're a little bit clearer. And we're going to copy this description here from YouTube and put it into the description area right here. You can also use these buttons here to style this, and if you need to know how the text editor works, you can go to the OpenY YouTube page and look at the tutorials on the text editor. And if you see this Media Accordion tab, you can click on it, and the Select Videos button is how we're going to add the YouTube link onto your Virtual Y site. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that title again. It'll let me copy that. I'm going to label my video here. And what this is doing is it's adding it to your media library. So if you have a folder set up for your videos, it will show up in here. Right now we only have a yoga folder set up, so we're just going to leave that blank. And then for the video URL, all you have to do is copy the link and paste it in. There's no embed code or special URL required. And then you click on the blue Save Entity button at the bottom. This may take a second to load, but when it does, you will see your video pop up in the media area down there. And we'll click that to close. You can select a level for your video if there is a difficulty associated with it. You can have none, or you can just say NA. You can then add your instructor's name and then type in a category in that field. And if you need to set up the level or the category, or if you have any equipment down here that you're tagging with it, you would just type it in right here and click on it just as you did up there. If you need to configure that, as a reminder, you can go to the taxonomy section under Virtual Y or under Structure. Now for this, we need to put our duration in seconds. And in an earlier recording, I already did the math on it. It is a 32-minute, 53-second video. You just multiply your minutes by 60 and add that to the remaining seconds on your video, so you don't have to do math. And then I'm going to click on the blue Save button here. This is going to take you to a page where you can review your information. And if you need to edit it again, you can click on the blue Edit tab and make changes in here. Now, if you want to see what your video looks like to the consumer, you can go to the Videos navigation in here in your Virtual Y environment and get to this page. You can also get there from clicking on the home page of your Virtual Y site and clicking on the View All for buttons. And then you can click on the Bootcamp category, which we just tagged for our Workout with Adonis. And if I click on that, my video shows up here, along with my level, my instructor, my category, and if I had any equipment associated with it, I would put it down here. One other thing that you can do for your Virtual Y videos, I'm going to go back to my Content tab, and I will scroll down to my Bootcamp Workout with Adonis, and I will click on this little Edit button right here. So if I wanted it to show up on the front page for Virtual Y, I can click on this featured check mark, and I click on Save. And it may take a second for it to load. But if I go back to the Virtual Y site and I click on Home here, that featured workout will show up in the top left corner.